A joint team of Manipur Police, National Investigation Agency (NIA) and the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) have arrested 2 people in connection with the killing of 6 Liangmei Naga civilians by armed Kuki militants on May 13. The arrests were made during a coordination operation at Leilon Vaiphei village on Friday after security agencies acted on specific intelligence regarding the suspect's presence in the area. The 2 accused have been identified as Pradeep, son of Tomba, and his wife Ayingbi alias Mangia, daughter of Nimkinswan, both residents of Leilon Vaiphei village. According to police, they were arrested after they were identified by witnesses when the abduction took place. Investigators believe the couple was involved in a kidnapping and subsequent killing of 6 civilians who went missing on May 13. The probe into the case is continuing and authorities have not disclosed much details into the arrest.